Okay, concrete water tank leak, 3 bridges up near Powtown, Victoria. This one's got really high flow. Very bad leak, been left to just drop a lot of water. I've had a lot of rain in the last little while, so we will try and stop this one. Right, 3 bridges, Powtown area, Dandenongs, near Warburton. Here's the leak, all repaired, nice and dry. There's no water flowing at all in there. It's all repaired. Steel tank ban will need to be required, definitely. The rust, steel would have, reinforcement would have rusted through. When they're that bad, you definitely need bans. 0427 427 183 is the phone number. Thanks.